Do we have defined values? Oftentimes I walk into schools and they have these words like respect, responsibility, safety, tolerance, and they have them tacked to the wall. Then I always ask the question, how are you teaching that? How have you defined that? Not just by rules, because we've made this down the years. We've had posters for consistency that say, well, respect is when you raise your hand. Well, no, if you know that respect is by acknowledging how my words and actions impact other people, I would raise my hand anyway. So they've kind of lost touch with what is it to be responsible? What is it to be respectful? What is it to be tolerant, resilient, persevere? I think our kids need a higher dose of actually teaching those, and those have to become our identity. So if you've got a mascot running around your school, that mascot should really be the umbrella, that identity of my values defined, and that also is going to help us with logical consequences. So if we get into a conversation this afternoon about consequences, we've got to have some clearly defined operational values in order for logical consequences to actually take hold.